So do you know Arabic?
I can read Quran, but I don't really understand Arabic so much.
You read Quran?
Yeah, I finished reading a Quran and now I'm reading the translation and stuff. I do. My son also, we all read Quran.
Do you know Surah Fatiha?
Yeah, of course.
Please,
I saw.
I want
I
to.
do salat. I do salat.
Okay, I want to listen your Surah Fatiha.
You want to listen?
Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim
MashaAllah.
ghairil maghdubi
Ya
'alaihim
alayhim Allah.
waladdallin.
Amin.
Amin.
MashaAllah. May Allah bless you, and may Allah also bless you, also bless your family. Hmm. Uh, do you want to listen my surah?
Do you want me? Yeah, sure. I mean, I forgot also which one. I could
No problem.
recite it.
I want to share Surah Fatiha. No problem.
Okay.
Hmm. Uh,
How to start Surah Al Fil again?
feel Surah feel.
Yeah.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل؟ ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
Wow. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. So are you American? Mani
No, I'm Malaysian.
Malaysian, but you live in America. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Malaysia. Okay. Sometime 1 minute, two
Almost.
minute. Just 1 minute, 2 minute. So Malaysia is a Muslim country. I know.
Yeah, it's a lot of Bangladesh are there too.
Yes. So lots of people work in your country.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Malaysian government is mm, help totally help our people. I
Right.
know that.
They work hard. Yeah, people they said that the people from Bangladesh they work really hard in Malaysia.
Yes, really
They,
hard.
they not yeah,
Yes,
they're not lazy. They work really hard to support their family.
yes.
Yeah,
They will very support in his someone,
yeah.
in his family, in his brother, in his small sister.
Right, right.
So I want to different work in my home. That's
You
why
do what?
I want to different work in my home.
Yeah, right.
So I want to great freelancer. I want to be great teacher, great mentor in my country.
That's good. I mean, that's good that you do in Fiverr and you do in YouTube, because they pay you in US dollars, right?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So